Hi everybody. Today we are painting a very beautiful and peaceful gouache painting. And I'm starting with the white here because we want the sky very bright and mixing a bit of yellow in that white, not much, just a little bit to make it a pastel yellow shade and applying right above that white color. Now I added a little red to that yellow and white mixture and made sure that white is in large quantity so that the color looks bright. And I'm doing the same in the bottom of the paper to make the lake reflection of the sky. Now I'm mixing burnt sienna with white color and make after making it light enough, I'm starting with the center of the sky and trying to make it look bright here. It is showing that the sunlight is making the reflection or the trees look like a bit bright and popping, and I'm adding a bit darker layer of brown above that lighter shade. Now I'm starting with the trees and a very dark version of brown mixed with somewhat black. And here we don't have to go much in detail, just making it look like that the trees are in front. After we are done with making trees in the empty spaces, we are gonna fill the bottom white space with this dark black and brown mixture. To cover this white space quickly, you can also use flat brush that will help you cover this space quickly. With the same mixture, I am making the reflection of the trees to the lake and just dabbing the brush around and making very rough shapes of trees. You don't need to go in detail here. Just try to match the ratio and space with the above trees. After shadows, I'm mixing the burnt sienna with some yellow ochre and applying it to the front to make the foreground here. I'm lightening the mixture and applying it again after the first layer is dried so that it pops out and we can see some land area. Try to keep the color thick in mixture and just tap the color and apply it. Now I'm using the light shade of white and brown to make some highlights on the trees in the shadows. Doing the same in the left side trees also. Not every tree, just some which will be shown in the front. Here I I made the tree branches using black and then did some highlight on them using the white mixed with like thin white color, and doing the same in the tree lakeside to make the shadows of those branches in the front. Using the black color, I'm making the leaves on the tree trunks which I painted earlier, and covering those with the random brush strokes. You don't have to go in very detailed manner. Just follow the manner which I'm showing in the video. So now we are just doing the final finishing and some highlights here. At last, I'm just making some leaves. So here comes my favorite part, that is tape peeling, and I hope you like the video, like this painting, and if you like it, do like, share, subscribe to the channel and comment your favorite part of the video, and thank you for watching.